Okay, well, I got an iPhone 3G, white, 16 gigs, but it won't turn on. Nothing. It was dropped in the snow. No water damage though. Snow is hard, like ice almost. There is no pink in there, or red, or whatever. So no really water damage. Shut off immediately after it was dropped, and it won't turn on. Not even holding the two buttons down. So I'll show you what it does when I just put it to iTunes. Okay, I'll plug it in. Here's iTunes. Put it into a MacBook Pro. Show you black. Nothing. So we'll go hit OK. It's the iPhone right there. Let it restart. Restore and update. And there it is. White screen. Click OK. It's gone from here. And I get a white screen. Unplug it. White screen still. Hold this down, nothing. Hold this, nothing. Hold both of them. Nothing.